Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is data analysis with MI, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining. So today we are going to be exploring Excel, what the sheet looks like, and key features we should be able to identify while working on our spreadsheets. So this, once you open your Excel, this is what you should see. This is what we call a spreadsheet. So you can come to your file to open a new blank workbook, or if you have a data set on your laptop you want to work with, you just click on open. Then you can load the data set from your laptop. You can click on save to save, or save as if you want to print, if you want to share. Then let's go back to our workbook. So yeah, this is our blank worksheets. So you have your home, you have your inserts, you have your draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help, and power pivot. Then this icon here is for you to save. This is for you to undo, to go or to return previous action. If you made a mistake you want to return, this is undo, or you can just press Ctrl Z as a shortcut. Then if you want to insert from here, you want to insert a new table, you want to insert shapes, you want to insert a text box, or you have a symbol, you can insert them through this place. If you want to also draw or sketch out something on your sheet, this is the place for you to click on. Then if you want to work on your page layout, you want to reduce it, take out the margins, the reorientation, put a background on your spreadsheet, you do that under your page layout. Then formulas, if you have special formulas you want to work with, or you want to insert a text as a formula, you do that here. Then a data set for Excel, if you want to you can get your data set from different sources. So you click on data sets from file. If you have a folder on your laptop, you can click on it and click on from file. If you have a database, you can click on which of the options to get your data set from. Then from Azure, from an online source, from other sources. So all of these are places that you can use to get your data set or insert your data set from. So all of this feature under data, we'll get to them once we start working properly on Excel or on a data set. So yeah, that's all we'll be doing. So for your Excel sheet, and I'm sure you can see some columns and rows labeled A, B, C, D, E, then 1, 2, 3. So once you see a cell labeled A, B, C, those are called your column. So A, B, C, D are called your columns. But 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4 are called your rows. So when you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, they are called your rows. When you're going A, B, C, D, they are called your columns. I hope you will not forget this. A, B, C are your columns. 1, 2, 3 are your rows. So if you want to call a cell, you want to reference a cell, you just say this is D, it's under D. This is D2. So what is this? This is F4. So once you look at this part of your Excel sheet, you'll be able to get your reference name. So this is also what this is J4. So I hope this would help, because sometimes when people have issues with identifying the rows and column. So yes, so I hope we're able to learn 1 or 2 things today. If you have any question, please don't forget to drop them in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please reach out to us. And don't also forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. Till we come your way again, we remain data analysis online. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.